Tailor's chalk is great for marking fabrics, but it dulls quickly and the marks can end up too big and inaccurate. There are Tailor's chalk sharpeners available, but here's a cheaper and more effective way to sharpen chalk. A straight razor, preferably one that's a little dull and has been retired from opening seams. I hold the chalk in my non-dominant hand and use my dominant hand to hold the blade and slowly shave the chalk back into a point. It doesn't take much pressure at all. I'm very careful not to slide the blade against my finger, but gently pressing it into my skin isn't likely to cut it. Of course, I always use caution, especially with new blades, and I normally do this over a trash can, not my table. For liability's sake, I'm not suggesting that you try this, I'm just showing you how I do it. What you do is up to you.